Hey everybody, this is Gail Cuffey, and this is for my students in my elective. Today we are going to be doing the bumblebee. And the bumblebee we're going to be doing is right here, and you should have that pattern. So I have my beads in a plate, and I have my string. First thing we're going to be doing is grabbing, because I'm going to be doing black and yellow, we're going to be grabbing, the first row is 3 black beads. As you can see, I have my string. I'm grabbing 3 black beads. And I hope you don't mind if I count them. So it's 1, 2, and 3. It just helps me if I count them. Some of my students in my elective have done this before. They're pros at it. But if it's okay, I'm going to just go really slow. So I have the 3 beads right here. And what I'm going to be doing is moving the string out. Make sure I don't get the wrong one. Taking the other string and putting it through the 3 black beads. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So that's 3. And I'm pulling it tight. Row number 1. Row number 2 is 4 black beads. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, I'm counting them just to count them. I hope it's okay. Some of you know how to do this, but please feel free to follow along with me. The wings are the really challenging part. So I have my 3 on the first row. Now I have 4 on the second row. So I'm going to go ahead and put the string through the 4. Doesn't matter if you use the right string or the left string. It's okay. Just make sure every time you put the string through the beads, you pull it tight. Okay, so some of you know how to do this. Okay, so now it's 4. Row 2 is 4. 4 black beads, okay? Row number 3, 4 black beads again. So it's 1, 2, 3. I don't know why sometimes I count them, students, but I don't know. It just helps me. Again, so I'm going 1, 2, and row 3. So now I'm putting the string in. Okay, so that's row 3. And I said I'm going to just use black and yellow. I'm just doing black and yellow. Okay, pull the string tight. Okay, now I'm on row number 4. And row number 4 is 5 yellow. 5 yellow beads. Hope you can see this. Please feel free to pull it back. 5 yellow. Okay, this is, let me go all the way down. That's 4, and this is 5. Again, okay, so I got my 5, and I take this string and put it through the 5. Okay, put it through the 5. And please make sure you have a plate or you have something, a bowl. I just like having something in front of me with the beads so they don't fall all over the place. 5. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on row number 5, and that's going to be 6 black. 6 black. Okay, and like I said, you can do the bumblebee any color you want, but I just chose to do black and yellow. So that's 4. This is 5. And 6. Okay, so some of you who have the pattern in my class, you can go a little bit ahead of us, but please not too fast. Okay, so this is 6. And I think I put a navy blue in there, but it's okay. That'll be his birthmark if I did, or her birthmark. No, okay, yeah, I think I did. I think I put a blue. That might be blue. It's okay. So now this is row number 5. Okay, now we're going to do the wings. Please watch, the wings going to be white. So I'm taking 7 white beads. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, these are for the bumblebee wings. Okay, I have 7 bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Taking the string, putting it through bead number 7, going over bead number 7 and putting it through bead number 6. Hope you saw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Putting the string in bead number 6, pulling it real tight. So holding this one and pulling it, okay? And I'm getting 3 more white beads. So it's 1, 2, and 3. These are for the wings, okay? So I got 3 more white ones. Now I'm putting the string through bead number 1 and pulling it through, okay? That's the first wing. That's our right wing. So now I'm going to do the next one. Remember, first 7 white beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. 7. Again, taking the string, putting it through bead number 6. Holding number 7, pulling it real tight. Okay. Now 3. Same string, 3 white beads. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Please feel free to stop the tape and look at it again if you have to. And now remember, I'm taking the string, going through bead number 1. Okay. Might need to give you a little space and put the string in bead number 1 and pull it out. So these were tricky wings. Sometimes the wings are a little bit easier than this, but you know, the more challenging, we get to do bigger projects, so that's okay. So we finished the left and the right wing. So now we're going with 6 yellow. 6 yellow. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now it's the same way we've been doing it, okay? Let them go down. Take the other string, and put it through. Okay. This was 6 yellow, and this is right after the wings. And like I said, some of you have the pattern. My students from my elective, you can follow the pattern if you like, it's okay. But I'm just going through this. Okay, so it's 6, okay? Now we have 6 black. So 6 black. 6 black. Okay, and take the other string and put it through. Okay, pull it all the way. Okay, so 6 black, okay. Now we have 5 yellow. 5 yellow. And this is the 3rd row from the wings, under the wings. 3rd row under the wings is 5 yellow. Okay. And again, the same way, putting it through. Okay. Pulling it tight. Okay. So that's 5 yellow. Then we're doing 4 black. 4 black. That's 3. Then there's 4. 4 black. Almost there. 4 black. And now we have 2 black. 2 black. Two black. And 1 black. 1 black. And I think I'm going to put an extra black. You don't have to. You have the pattern. My students do. But if you're not a student, you can still do an extra one. And I'm going to do an extra one. And that's it. I hope that it wasn't too challenging. Like I said, you do have the pattern. Please play the video back if you got stumped on a certain part. And that's it. That's the bumblebee. So I hope it came out okay. And I'll be seeing you soon. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.